Jordy. Hi, Jordy. They have a pool. Grammy and Papa have a pool. We're still at their house. We're going to be here for a couple days. Jordy's really excited because no one's come to visit him all day. He's all muscle. He's really excited. He's just running around everywhere. But yeah, we have to go to my grandma has an appointment at 4 o'clock, so we have to leave to go somewhere at 4 o'clock. So yeah, that kind of stinks. We're gonna see who can pick up Sabin. So Aria, come here. Come here. You need to come here. You have to try and pick up Sabin. Alright, get ready. Get ready. Pick up Sabin. And pick her up. Nope, Aria can't pick her up.
I picked her up. I picked her up. Yeah.
Kira's turn. Like this much. Okay, let's see how far Kira can pick her up. Oh, okay. Kira can. Okay. Alright, Jade, how high can you pick Sabin up?
How high can I pick her up?
Yeah.
Oh,
that was the contest. Well, Jaden's turn.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, Jaden can pick her up. All right. Now let's see how high I can pick her up. Her butt's in my face.
I won. Well, it was really hard, and I couldn't bend my knees, and I think I did a pretty good job.
Ari thought she did the best job, but I saw the whole thing from the window. It was Joe who did the best job. Now go away. I'm chewing on this ball. Oh no, the ball! I love Cheetos, spicy Cheetos, and guacamole. Now it's time to mix them.
Oh my gosh, that's disgusting.
Oh.
Why is it disgusting?
No. Cheetos, spicy Cheetos and guacamole is disgusting.
Oh. I love it! Grammy made us quesadillas. Quesadillas. She has a quesadilla maker. It automatically makes them. It's like crazy. Except, of course, you need the ingredients and stuff. And we love quesadillas, dillas, whatever. We need to get one for sure. So I was on the Rabbit Hole site, and look, we have 404 subscribers. When we started, we only had 294 subscribers, which means we've got 110 subscribers since the month and a half that we started posting videos. So thank you guys. And we've already made like 30 cents off of it. It's awesome.
Well, I think it's pretty cool because we started with our one video. That's the coming soon video, and after that we got 294 subscribers, and now we've got more than that, a lot more than that. That's almost 200 more. So yeah, and we didn't actually only make 30 cents. We made almost $3. Yeah, $2 and about 64 cents. Yeah, definitely how much. Other than that, I don't have anything else to say.
Greetings and salutations. Now is the time you tune into that nerdy family on YouTube. So follow me and we'll greet James, Shelly, Joe, Kira, Jaden, Aria, and Sabin. Come down the rabbit hole and you won't be late. Come down the rabbit hole and you won't be late.